In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export contacts from LinkedIn Sales Navigator to Pipedrive. This process can appear a bit technical at first, but with a few straightforward steps, you'll be managing your contacts more efficiently in no time. So let's dive right in. First up, open your web browser and go to pipedrive.com. Pipedrive is an excellent tool that helps you streamline and organize your sales processes. Once you're there, you will see the option to log in. Go ahead and click on that. If you're an active user, logging in should be a breeze. You simply need to enter your email and password in the provided fields and hit the login button. If you've forgotten your credentials, just follow the on-screen instructions to recover them. This will take you directly to your Pipedrive dashboard where you're all set to handle contacts. Now let's talk about integrating this with your LinkedIn Sales Navigator contacts using the Surf extension. To begin, navigate to the Surf website. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one. The process is quite straightforward. Just follow the registration steps by providing the necessary details. Registering takes only a couple of minutes, and once done, you'll have access to Surf's full functionality. With your new Surf account, the next step is to add Surf as a Chrome extension. This is an important step as it facilitates the easy transfer of data between LinkedIn Sales Navigator and Pipedrive. Visit the Chrome Web Store to locate the Surf extension and add it to your browser. Once it's successfully added, click on the extension in your browser's extension bar to activate it. This will automatically redirect you to LinkedIn. You'll notice that Surf seamlessly works with LinkedIn as well as LinkedIn Sales Navigator. What this means is all the functionality you enjoy on LinkedIn is now integrated with your Pipedrive thanks to Surf. This includes the ability to export contacts in bulk from LinkedIn Sales Navigator. Bulk exporting is a particularly handy feature when you're dealing with a large database and need to keep track of numerous clients or leads. By following these steps, you've effectively linked your LinkedIn Sales Navigator with Pipedrive, streamlining your workflow and keeping your contacts organized in one accessible place. This integration not only saves you from the tedious task of manual data entry, but also ensures that you never lose track of important leads. You're now set up to manage your contacts more effectively and ultimately build better relationships with them. Thank you for tuning in today. We hope this guide has been helpful in navigating